Running a business is tough. With all the regulations and standards to meet, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Without ISO registration, it's like navigating through a maze blindfolded. But what exactly is ISO registration? ISO, or the International Organization for Standardization, sets globally recognized standards for quality management and assurance. ISO registration isn't just a badge on your website. It's a stamp of approval that shows your commitment to quality and excellence. That's where we come in. At JuroLegal, we specialize in guiding businesses through the ISO registration process. With our expertise and dedication, we'll help your business achieve ISO registration seamlessly, saving you time and hassle. Thanks to JuroLegal, Sarah's business is now ISO registered. She can focus on what she does best, knowing that she's meeting the highest standards. Don't let regulations hold your business back. Choose JuroLegal, your partner in achieving ISO registration and unlocking new opportunities.